There's other simple tools like, this is simple, but I know a lot of you are always on the go and traveling. It's called Crisp, and you download it to your desktop or your phone. It's called Crisp with a K, K-R-I-S-P. It's crisp.ai. And what's cool about Crisp is it takes all of your background noise out on all of your calls. So they can't hear anything except for you. It also transcribes and summarizes all those calls for you so you have it in text as well. But just to give you kind of an example, here's a baby crying in the background.
I was informed only yesterday that it was required to share the conference coming up.
Here's with Crisp.
I've already shared my screen with you, so
Here's
you
without.
can see all the requirements in its doc. Let's get
Here's with
priority
Crisp.
tasks as
So here's like a barking dog.
Good morning. I just called to remind you that we have
Here's
a
with
meeting
Crisp.
coming Thursday at 10 a.m. in our office. Be sure to send me
Here's without.
all the necessary files and the design materials required.
So again, like all this stuff is cheap stuff, but that really makes a difference if you're having important conversations all the time. Maybe you're at Starbucks or a train station or an airport or whatever. They'll never hear anything in the background. And again, the other cool thing is it's transcribing every single word of it, so you don't have to remember what you're talking about. It's going to be downloaded into there. So there's a free plan, so it doesn't even cost anything. And then their pro that adds like some other stuff in here. It's $8 a month. So again, like none of the stuff I'm talking about is very expensive at all. That's the crazy thing with AI, is all this stuff is so cheap that it's actually just blows your mind how it's even this inexpensive, because it does so much more than what we're used to paying thousands of dollars for. This is a tool called Kakatu, and it's C-A-C-K-A-T-O-O.
C-O-C-K.
Yeah, it's like a bird, C-O-C-K-A-T-O-O. It's Kakatu. This can transcribe all of your stuff into 90 different languages, so your text or your audio. So if you want to start doing international business, working with like JWB years ago, we were selling properties to people in France and Germany and all over the world. And they want to buy stuff here in the US, but the communication barrier makes it hard unless they know how to speak English. And I'm going to show you today that you don't need to know how to speak different languages to do business with these guys. So this is one of them. Again, it can change your text and your audios into a different language. There's another tool that I use called HeyGen. So this is pretty cool. Let me show you. It's H-E-Y-G-E-N. And so this first video I'm going to show you, I didn't do any of this. I didn't say any of this. I typed it in. And it took an avatar of me, and it created a video. So if your team, here's the other crazy thing, is this is called Instant. So I didn't even do the professional one yet. You can get a green screen behind you, and it gets all the different sides of your face. You'll even see when I scratch my head, it gets a little blurry, because this is my first run at it. All this stuff is coming out so quick. But I just want you to know that I didn't say this. I typed in what I wanted it to say, and this is what came out.
Hello everyone, this is not Brian Hanson. This is a clone bot of myself created with the tool HeyGen. This tool allows you to create videos of yourself by simply...
All right, so I took that same video that I did in text, and check this out. Same exact text. I just changed to Spanish.
Hola a todos. Este no es Brian Hanson. Este es un bot llamado Legrand, creado por la herramienta HeyGen.
I know how to say like El Baño and Hola, but that's about it. I know from my friends that they actually speak Spanish how well they're doing, because nobody else is hitting that. But maybe you want to hit the Chinese market, we can do that too. So again, I don't know if anybody even knows Chinese, so we won't keep playing it, but between the videos and the texting, I can have real conversations with people that, all this stuff, like, so I was just in a different crowd where I actually had some people from China, and they were like, this sounds better than what I can speak. So it's not like it's messing it up and not really on point with what it's saying, it's mixing it up. It actually can understand slang and everything and speak perfect Chinese, Spanish, or French, or whatever you're trying to do.